Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever struggled with text spacing issues in PowerPoint, you're not alone. Today I'm going to show you a quick fix for those annoying large spacing problems in your presentation. So let's jump right into it. First, open up your PowerPoint presentation and navigate to the slide with the spacing issue. You might notice that sometimes the spacing between lines or words is just too much. This can make your slide look inconsistent and difficult to read. To fix this, start by selecting the text box with the problematic spacing. Once selected, go to the Home tab at the top of your screen. Under the Home tab, you'll find the paragraph group. Here, click on the small arrow in the bottom right corner to open the paragraph settings. In the paragraph dialog box, look for line spacing. It's usually set to multiple by default, which can cause large gaps. Click on the drop-down menu and select single. If the spacing issue is between words, make sure to check the spacing options right here. You can reduce the after spacing to 0 pt if it's too high. Once you're done, click OK to apply the changes. And there you have it. The text should now look much more compact and evenly spaced. And that's how you fix large spacing issue in PowerPoint. Simple, right? If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more quick tips. Drop a comment if there's another PowerPoint problem you need help with. Thanks for watching.